You're so cute. Hey Kaos, check this out. This article says, Taiwan ranks 9th among the best countries to live in as an expat, while Singapore continues to be considered the world's best overall destination for expats. Can you believe that? Alright, so let's look into this, Kaos. Russia apparently is number 20. Vietnam 19. Oh, you're done. You're like, this is incredible. We're not gonna listen to this. Okay, thank you. We know how we all feel now. So Russia's number 20, Vietnam's 19, Ireland 18, Hong Kong 17, Mexico 16, Malaysia 15, Spain 14, Indonesia 13, India 12. Kaos! Stop eating food off the table, man. Oh. This is how you get sick, buddy. Here, smell this. Ew. Ew. Fun fact, cats don't like the smell of citrus. Yeah, I yield. Don't go over there again. Number 12, and I'm talking to you anyways. Number 12 is India, 11 is France, 10 is the UAE, and number 9 is Taiwan. So here's the interesting one, buddy. And number 9 is Taiwan. So here's the interesting. You don't want to be here. You're done. Alright, Kaos. So now we have our receipts. We can continue the article or the video. Thank you. Thank you. May I continue reading? No, I must continue petting. Okay, that is the life of a cat. Oh, he's so comfortable. Look at you. You know, this might just turn into a how to pet a cat video instead of where the best places are to live as an expat, you know? Oh, behind the ears. Behind the ears. Deep behind the ears. Like up in there. Then behind this ear. Oh. Pull them back. On top of the head. Bald spots. Always gotta get bald spots. Under the chin, of course. And the whiskers. Oh, he loves the whiskers. Okay, Kaos. Scratched, sitting. Continue? Can I continue now? Yes? Sweet. Now you're comfortable. Let's go.